and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back in London in search of really good Indian food. Hope you're enjoying the series so far, and today I have come to one of the kind of Indian restaurants that I visit a lot, which is Dishoom. Dishoom, as the name suggests, is means a punch. Like in Bollywood we say, oh, Dishoom this and that. That means a punch, and that is like a kind of a sound effect thing, and that is why this place is called Dishoom. And the first of these restaurants actually opened in 2010, and I often come here because usually it's very close to the station as well whenever I'm in London, and it does really good Indian food. It does mainly food from Mumbai, so you'll have vada pav, you'll have berry biryani. So a lot of the food is inspired by the Parsi cafes in Mumbai, which is why I love. And not just the food, the decor is also inspired by that, which is so fantastic. So I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to go in and share what they have on offer. So let's go in. I love this. Rules of the cafe. They're hilarious. Wow. Hi Chef, thanks for letting me into your kitchen. What are your most popular dishes?
Hello, welcome. I'm Vijay from Dishoom. The popular dishes here is ruby and the black dolls and the kebabs, which we're selling here. Yeah.
So any particular kebab, vegetarian?
Our favorite is the lamb sheep kebab and plus the lamb chops, which are the highest selling one.
Really?
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you.
Amazing. And any chaat items that are very popular?
We do the house chaat, which is a shakarkandi chaat, and we do the sweet potato chaat here, which is a quite popular one here. And we will show the assemble and we will show to you.
Oh, lovely. And what is your favorite bread? Is it rumali roti, naan?
Bread, yes, basically the romali is one of my favorite one, and the cheese naan. So we do the cheese naan.
Yes.
That's one of the favorite one. Yes, yeah.
And what is your favorite dish out of the menu?
Unfortunately the menu, the item is not here, but it's in the rest of the other sites, which is in nihari. So
yes.
I love the lamb nihari. Yes.
That's very popular.
Yes, very popular, very popular. And in our two sites we are doing that nihari. Other two sites they are doing that one.
How many Dishooms are there in London?
There are nearly 10 cafes.
How many?
10 cafes are there. Yeah,
In
all
London?
over in UK. In London we have 5, and plus the outside also.
Thank you so much for letting me.
Thank you. It's our pleasure.
Oh, beautiful. Oh my word, thank you. Oh, dal. Wow, thank you so much. That is so lovely. Right, I've got this massive meal which I am eating now. Starting with chaat, it's as good as I remember actually. My favorite thing from Dishoom is obviously the black dal and the chicken ruby, which is very close to the butter chicken, and which is why it's my favorite, because you guys know I love butter chicken. I love any chicken curry, to be honest. Everything feels like properly spiced, which is what I love about Dishoom. It's really close to the real Indian food. They're very welcoming here. All the restaurants, I've been to 3 of the restaurants, and they are all, feels very warm, homely. And the food, you don't have to wait very, very long. It's quite quick, and it's very perfectly priced. It's not expensive, and it's something you can come for a midweek meal. Really is worth every penny. The spices are perfectly balanced. That chicken curry is just beautiful. Right, this is the berry chicken biryani, which is very, very famous and one of my favorite things from Mumbai. What I know is this is the only restaurant, Dishoom, that serves this. There might be others, but I don't know of those restaurants, and this is absolutely delicious. I just want to say everything has been delicious. The dal, the chicken, the tandoori roti, samosa was really good. The one thing I was slightly disappointed by was the chili chicken, but everything else I've scooped up and loved it. Especially the biryani with the raita is so good. It is such a lovely place to come for Indian food. Delicious. Right, one of the best things about Dishoom, I'll tell you what is one of the best things, is bottomless chai. I know this matches my jumper. I'm wearing a chai color jumper. Wow. Right, so you get this lovely Indian masala chai, and it's bottomless. So once you finish your glass, you can get a top up for free, which is fantastic because this chai is really good. It's sweet, it's spicy, not like spiced up masaledar. Really good. So that's the mawa cake with yuzu ice cream, and that's the pistachio kulfi. Like the classic shape of kulfi. Ooh. Wonderful. That cake is so light. It's got black poppy seeds in it. The ice cream's lovely, and that is the jaggery sauce, which is unrefined sugar, and that whole combination is lovely. So I finished my meal and I'm out of the restaurant, but don't worry, I've got a little goodie bag. I wasn't going to waste all that food, did you think? Right, so I love the food. It's a no-fuss Indian restaurant, and it really is Mumbai food, Indian food. The chefs in the kitchen are all Indian, so the food coming out is really proper Indian food. It's not very spicy, but the spices are so well balanced. I'll definitely be going back. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I am looking for more Indian restaurants doing really good Indian food all around the UK. So if you have any suggestions, obviously I've started from London, but I would like to go beyond London. So if you have any recommendations, I would love some help from you guys. So please leave me a comment below, and hope you enjoyed this episode. I'll be back with the recipe this week, so don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.